Alabama Kush.
Yeah.
Yeah, it could have been grown by an inbred sheep fucker. But hey, anyway, you know what time it is. It's Smoke Sesh. And as always, you got me, DanksterDave.
Mr. Cooper.
Casket Head.
Yeah, and we're just sitting here. We got internet, guys. We got motherfucking internet. So you're going to be seeing a lot of these videos real soon. What you're looking at is a stool. If you couldn't figure that out, you're a fucking idiot. For now, folks, for now.
Let Zoltar tell you his
Let Zoltar tell you.
You across the street by the stool.
Yes, you.
I see a stool in your future. A bloody one.
Whoa.
Ouch.
Whoa.
Ouch.
So, I don't know if you guys can see. Like, not my tattoo. You see all that paint, guys? We painted our fucking, yeah, we fucking painted, and we painted our porch today. It's all white, real nice. We mowed the lawn. Feel good. Feel real good today. Except for a mock up of paint, but feel great. So, and the landlord came over. Which is actually a wonderful thing. She loves us. She can't stop hugging us. She's an older lady. Love her to death. And her husband's a Mexican.
She said I was soft.
She said she was
She
soft.
hugged me and said, "Oh, you're so soft."
She tried to make out with Mr. Cooper.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Right.
No, I'm just saying. She's like, you think I'm kidding?
I know.
Like, I know you're not by that statement.
I think I'm kidding. It's like, yeah, old man's not.
Hey, I'm
Old
so-
man's in Chicago.
She does look good for
She's
her
good
age.
for
You
her age,
have to
yeah.
say she's a little cute. She is a little cute.
Good for her age.
Could you imagine how she looked when she was
It's
younger?
not into
She probably looked.
50-year-old women.
Yeah.
No, but could you imagine what she probably looked? But could you imagine what she looks like in her 20s? She's probably a pretty good looking lady.
I imagine what her daughter looks like with all the tattoos.
Oh, yeah.
That out.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Well, I mean, there's so many things that happen.
Or maybe she'll just end up a part of the Smoke Sesh logo. Like, and adding the new.
Like, no, folks, it's not Adele. I don't know, she kind of looks like an old.
Old. Yeah, dude.
A little British. I see a little British in there.
So I hope everyone's doing good
Yeah,
today.
but her daughter would be next. She'd be Mexican and white.
Yeah.
Just because I can't have kids with them.
Yeah. But yeah, moving on to bowls now. We're actually smoking.
Start of the session.
Start of smartionation.
You hit this so you can talk right.
Yeah, someone.
There's a lighter for you.
Thank you so much.
Get up on it. 7:47. It's time to fly, bro. All right, it is time to fly. 7:47.
Fly.
That means get up in the clouds.
Yes, sir.
No. This one, dude. There's this place called Cass out in Phoenix, and what it is, it's a homeless shelter, right? And
Yeah.
I was there with my buddy, and I saw this dude walking by, and he's just yelling next to him. He's all like, "Mount your horse, private! I said, mount your horse! Mount your horse!" And he was yelling, "Mount your horse, private!" I was like, "Oh my god, this guy thinks he's in the Civil War." He's telling dude to mount a horse. There ain't nothing there. So I definitely got something wrong with him.
I've been there a few times too, man.
I started wondering, gee, this guy really must be from the Civil War, you know?
Mount your horse.
But he was pretty damn young. I don't think he was alive even through Vietnam, so this dude must have just got messed up on the street. Probably took one too many drugs and thought he was a colonel.
Man, I know some kush that'll turn you into a colonel.
What, that fake spice kush? Turn you into a freaking epileptic seizure mess. I had that one girl in the news that smoked spice and went into a coma, and then they were gonna pull the plug on her, and she woke up when they pulled the plug, and she's blind in one eye and has a lot of problems now because of that. Well, no,
I know, I'm just kidding.
That's actually what brought her to life.
Yeah.
But she shouldn't have smoked spice.
That's why we smoke marijuana.
Well, here's another marijuana fact. See, this saved people from making that stupid decision. Because a lot of people say, "Oh, well, I only smoke spice because of piss tests, and I can't."
Right, because
or they say really messed up stuff like, "Oh, I only smoke crack because of piss tests." but really, all you need is a thing of red wine vinegar, quarter cup.
Apple cider vinegar.
Yeah, or apple cider, whatever vinegar your flavor choice is.
I've used it. It still tastes like shit.
I prefer to get the little apple juice, because you drink some apple juice after that, and it takes that flavor right out of your mouth. And, just a quarter cup.
Or 7 full gallons of milk jug of water.
Or 3 liters of water and a quarter cup of vinegar. 3 hours before any piss test. Piss 3 to 4 times, and even if you're pissing clear or yellow.
I just say 7 just to be safe, because I did 7. I pissed for Walmart, and it was perfect.
I mean, I got my manager promotion a lot of burger doing the.
I just did.
Or you could just do the Wizinator or the whatever.
That's too much.
I did the synthetic.
She did synthetic pee.
It cost money though.
Not in Minnesota. Not that much.
Well, synthetic pee actually I can go to like $50 in some shops out here,
Just
right?
keep the shit between your
No,
legs.
the one that we got was only like 20.
It was real good, dude.
Well,
$20.
$20 compared to $3.
I was like $20 compared to getting fired.
Getting fired for real.
Well, Bill Pittman used this trick in the Navy for the military.
But I didn't have anything to worry about because no one was gonna watch me pee.
No. They knew everyone was fucking.
So I was able to.
Everyone was on something anyway.
What I ended up doing was.
Touch that egg. Oh, she's like, no, don't. She's like, don't touch my egg. It's my egg, and I'm gonna crack that bitch.
What I did was first I put it in the microwave before I went to work, and then I tucked it into my brassiere, like in the undercup area, so it would, be real tight against my body to stay warm. And then during break, when I saw everyone leaving the lobby area, I used the microwave to heat it up again and stuck it back in there, and then it was nice and warm because it has to be a certain temperature too.
Yeah. But it works. For $20, you can't go wrong with that.
Well, I was just trying to throw in a little $3 fact.
And I knew 4 people that day got fired for marijuana.
Yeah.
But like when we were all in high school.
Sarah did that vinegar trick too for U-Haul in the past.
But when we were all in high school, it was either like, hey man, what we did a lot was I had a friend, two friends piss in a condom, and then you just hook that shit to your boxer shorts. Yep. Easiest.
My uncle was on parole, and he had a better ingenious idea. He had a friend who had a son.
Yeah.
His son was like 5 years old.
Okay.
So he would go over there before his piss test, and he'd say, I bet you $5 in a bag of candy that you can't pee in that jar all by yourself in the bathroom. So he'd go in the bathroom, and he'd fill up that jar with his piss, put the lid on it, give it to my uncle. My uncle would give him $5 and take him to go get a bag of candy. He would have that tucked up under his nuts, and he would go in there and just drop that jar into the thing, and pass piss test every time.
Yeah.
Hey, little boy, $5 in a bag of candy. Fucking badass,
That's a little, yeah. It's kind of genius, but whatever. And I wouldn't be doing that, but
Well, yeah.
everyone, just, to each your own. That's not me. I have some little kid in a cup for me.
I'm not gonna involve children.
I'm not. Yeah, exactly.
No,
that's a little fucking weird.
That did take me off guard, man.
Yeah.
I did say that to him, and you know what he told me? Well, I couldn't have a woman piss in the cup. And I was like,
Exactly.
well, why not? Just mess
she
with
was
him?
female.
No, he said 'cause she was pregnant.
No.
Yeah,
that's
I was
it.
seeing the hormones in the.
Yeah.
boys' world, and it was behind closed doors, from what I understand.
Yeah.
So, the little boy wasn't actually putting any harm in. He
Well,
probably
I know.
to this day doesn't go, oh, I wonder what Uncle Bud was doing.
Well, I know, but me personally,
God.
I just wouldn't personally do it. That's all. I don't care.
Well, he was a messed up individual to talk about him. Y'all met him. But y'all don't know a damn thing about him. The man is absolutely crazy. He has spent his entire life in and out of prison. I mean, literally, the man has no teeth because he's lost one in so many different fights. I mean, the man's been in more fights than probably a professional boxer. Fact, you know.
Anyways, if you're just tuning in, or just now listening and paying attention, this is Smoke Sesh with DanksterDave, Mr. Cooper, and Casket Kid. We're sitting here smoking and talking about random shit as always. And as always, appreciate you being here and listening today.
As always, we're not going to run out of random shit.
No.
We got crazy stories.
And sooner more than later, we will have callers. And everything's going to be different. You won't be looking at this fucking stool or Kermit or... Well, Kermit's cool, but... Ooh. Ooh, yeah, sexy hand.
And now, to the segment of our show where we need to guess that object.
Try it. You guys can guess that object. We will send you a pack of zigzag roller bear. Don't fuck that. We'll send you a pack of Juicy J.
Yeah, Juicy J.
Name that object. But today won't get it right. Once again. Yeah? That's all they get. That's all they get. Get it out of there. Alright. Name that object. Juicy J roller bears. So yeah. It's like a pretty deal, man.
I would guess that object and slam this down, but I think y'all would,
Yeah, you know what that shit is. You already should have. Yeah, buddy. But, yeah. See you guys soon.